Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys. Today we will make a podcast about how to make a startup, build a startup. And before we started, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Gaysan Fausaska, and I am from 8th grade at IDN Boarding School Sentul.
And my name is Muhammad Shukran Abdullah. You can call me Shukran. And I'm school at the Aiden Backpacker School Sentul at the 8th grade.
Okay, thank you for Sukran Abdullah to already introduce yourself. Maybe I want to ask you about what is the company or the startup you want to make or to create.
Maybe like online class, like a Kumon or like Ruang Guru if you know. Yeah, maybe I will make like an online class.
Uh, when do you want to start running the online class?
Maybe I will start the startup this week because I'm so need more money for the entering the university.
Okay. The next, maybe I want to ask you before the online class. I want to ask you about what's the name online class you make.
The name. Oh,
Yes.
maybe like uh, wait, like online class with another material.
Okay. Maybe I want to ask you, what is the example lesson you want to share?
Maybe IT. That is the I focus in IT project.
Okay. IT project. Can you tell me what kind of the IT? As there's many ITs like the you can make a website or make a game and the others. What you want to share to the others people if the others joined your class?
Maybe for the first, I will teach coding for make a game. For the beginner, maybe I will teach from the scratch for make a game like catching a fruit or take me out.
The simple games.
Yeah, yeah, the simple game.
There is a coding anything is how or only the scratch I think is
No, maybe I will teach like for make a game 3D at the build box. That is more hard than scratch.
okay. And then anything else you want to teach or
Maybe
only
for
coding?
the IT, I will teach a design. Maybe for the first time, for I teach a design.
Okay.
Maybe I will use a Canva first, and then for the more hard, I will teach with a Figma, a Photoshop, or more.
Okay, the design is the next. Or
Yeah.
the IT class, I think is there is how to make a website or anything is there is or no if the people is joins your class online classroom.
Maybe yes, and I will teach how to make a website, or design a website.
Okay, you design a website. Use what I think is there is you you make a website. Use what is there is coding or the use the apps anything.
Maybe for the design for make it easy for the design of the website, maybe I will use Figma or no, Figma for the first is Figma, and then if we want to make a website, we need a hosting and domain. Later, maybe later I will teach my my child for by the hosting and by a domain.
Okay.
And for make the website, I gonna use Elementor.
Okay. And there is a next IT.
Maybe I will teach a robotic example like how to code the line follower. Line
Okay.
follower, example like Ichibot and Ichiduino, or maybe Kakak Robot. And for the robotic, I will teach a tiny bit first for make it easy, and then for the third, I will teach sumo, and then if my child is already good, I will tell to child to join the competition.
Okay, before that, I mentioned like the let's say land followers.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is land followers? Because I'm is newbie from the robotic. Then I want to uh, yes join or yeah I want to learn what is land followers and anything IT or
Maybe
robotic.
for the line follower, it's simple like there is a line or white line or the black line, and for the robot line follower, the example like Ichiduino will follow the line, the black or the white line,
Okay.
and for the sumo maybe like just like play with the controller and fighting with each other sumo.
And then there is
And for the tiny bit, it's like for the start, for the newbie, like a coding a robot, like make a face from the robot, and following the object, anything more.
okay, because I'm already search you want to make an online class.
Yeah,
I already see in your poster in the social media.
Yeah.
You say there is IoT. What is IoT?
IoT we can share Internet of Things. That is like make a new technology like we can make like watering plant
Yeah.
and smart trash bin, and maybe there's a humidity and anything more. And with the IoT, you can make like the new innovation like with your creative vision.
Okay. Before I mentioned like it's watering and not something brand is smart trash bin is in new era is there is many smart things smart
Yeah.
thing is like smart doors. I heard this hearing but I don't know how to make and how to create but I want to join how to make a smart trash bin. You can tell me what is smart trash bin?
Maybe for the smart trash bin, it's like you in there's a trash bin and have the sensor, and the name is sensor ultrasonic, and then when in front of the sensor ultrasonic there is a servo, like a servo like this, the like this, and then when the ultrasonic got information, the
It
servo will like do for open the trash bin,
Okay.
and you don't need to touch the trash bin, just like a sensor, and you put the trash to the trash bin.
Okay. Maybe I want to ask you, how much is the price to join online class? Your online class. Sorry.
Maybe for the first week, I will give the small price is like 100, and for the 1 month I will give like 300,000, and for the next time I will give the biggest is 500 for the 1 year.
Okay. There is a show of it. Yes.
Yeah,
Um, maybe I want to ask you, how many meet in a week?
maybe for the week I will use the weekend like Sunday or Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then
Two time for the 1 week.
yeah, maybe I want to ask you how to join your online class. The others people, if you want to join online your online class, how to the join is how to the contact you or how to yes the
Or you
contact.
can open in my social media like a TikTok, Instagram, or like a Twitter, or you can open my YouTube or open the Google Form, and then you can fill you the into the Google Form.
Okay. This online class started from what's the date?
Maybe 1 of Merit, I will start up this online class.
Or maybe it's in Ramadan
Yeah,
month.
in Ramadan, and for like a Ramadan, I will give the small prize
Okay. I want to ask you why you want to make the online class?
because if I make the online class, I can give my like I
Religion.
yeah, I can give to like a child, like when he's child, he must know how to coding, how to coding, yeah, for make easy for he already older.
Okay. There is maximum alt or minimum alt.
There is for the two elementary, from the two elementary school, and for the last is uh, nine nine junior high school.
9 so.
Yeah,
Okay. Uh, which means is online classes.
yeah, online class like a
Uh,
Zoom meeting.
Yes. There is a spec for the computer or the laptop. Is there is or
Maybe he must use the computer, don't use a laptop, because we're gonna make like a game at the scratch. It's too like so hard if we use the and for the spec, maybe we need a SSD with the Intel i5 Gen 10.
okay. Maybe that's all for our podcast. And before I close, I want to say thank you for the shukran or for the gift, the online class or the sharing the materials he wants to share in online class.
Okay.
Well, for the others, you can join online class. You can contact his Instagram and the others contacts. Yes,
Yeah,
can
maybe
join with email maybe.
yeah, you can chat at the email.
Okay.
Maybe that's all from we. We're sorry if there's any mistake from our word. Last I say, Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.